Welcome back to Mixing Continents, your guide to the world of cocktails. Today we're diving into the pre-Prohibition era archives to dig up a family of cocktails that can bring you back to the land of the living. We're going to be focusing on the second generation of this iconic tipple, and of course it's the Corpse Reviver No. 2. So get out of bed, stop feeling sorry for yourself, and get one of these in you as you have a long day ahead. And I promise by the end of this video, this remedy will raise you from the dead. So before we get 6 feet deep, or you're just too hungover to watch this episode, here's the 30-second spec. To craft this historic drink, grab your shaker and give your glass a rinse of some absinthe. Add some ice and leave to chill. Then add equal parts gin, lemon juice, Cointreau and Lillet Blanc. And for this recipe, we're doing 22.5 milliliters or 3/4 of an ounce all round. Give these ingredients a shake until it's so cold that you can start to feel your fingers again. Then double strain into your chilled absinthe rinse glass and garnish with a lemon peel. And now let's delve into the rich history behind this invigorating hangover cure whilst I show you what you need to make this drink. The Corpse Reviver is a family of pre-Prohibition cocktails that can be traced back to the early 1870s that were designed to be consumed for the sole purpose of raising the victim of a heavy night out back from the dead, or in other words, a remedy for bad hangovers to help increase vigour and otherwise improve one's morning. This rendition is the most well-known version, although the original Corpse Reviver featuring cognac, calvados and sweet vermouth can still be found in rotation, featuring on occasional bar menus much like many other Prohibition-era drinks. Corpse Reviver did fade away for a few decades, but was revived when a small handful of bartenders looked into history for inspiration. Its main notable record is the Savoy Cocktail Book by Harry Craddock, published in 1930, that helped reintroduce a plethora of cocktails lost to time back into the hands of the modern drinker. Today, the Corpse Revivers can be found in odd craft cocktail bars and very occasionally on brunch menus for those who appreciate the drink's ability to jumpstart your day, and offers a nice change to the regular Bloody Mary in the morning. But one mustn't forget Craddock's warning. 4 of these, taken in swift succession, will unrevive the corpse again. Now let's talk about the components that make the Corpse Reviver No. 2 the Corpse Reviver. First up is gin, which adds a subtle botanical backdrop to this lively drink. I'd recommend the London Dry, but for this I'll be using the only gin I have available. Next is Lillet Blanc for a vermouth, a fortified aromatized wine that will balance out the other flavours, although another great option would be Cocky Americano Blanco, as it provides a drier taste, and I'll be using Cointreau, bringing some citrus, sweetness and depth. We'll also need some fresh lemon juice to give us that kick and tarten up our drink, and the final touch is absinthe, a key component to the Corpse Reviver No. 2. A small amount is to be poured into the glass and swirled around to coat the interior. Then it can be discarded. The result is a hint of absinthe that comes through aromatically in the nose as you sip, but doesn't overwhelm the palate or throw off the balance of the sugar in the drink. Another option I've seen some bartenders do is leave the absinthe in the glass with the ice whilst it chills, and rather than discarding, pour the slightly watered down absinthe into a shot glass to be served on the side, which especially works great for those who have work in the morning. Now let's bring the Corpse Reviver No. 2 to life. Although I won't be saving the absinthe, I will place it in the glass to chill with the ice. So start by adding a small amount of absinthe to the glass and begin to coat the edges, and then add some ice to chill your Nick and Nora. Next, get your shaker and add more ice. And begin by adding 22.5 milliliters of gin. Then 22.5 milliliters of Lillet Blanc, and 22.5 milliliters of Cointreau. And to finish, squeeze out 22.5 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. And once all of your ingredients are in, seal it tight and give it a good shake. Once your Corpse Reviver No. 2 is as shaken up as you are, it's time to add the finishing touches. Discard your ice and absinthe, then double strain the cocktail into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. Finally, using some spare lemon peel, express some zest over the top of your cocktail to release its aromatic oils. and garnish with a lemon peel. And if you can be bothered, you can make it look nice too. And there you have it, the Corpse Survivor No. 2, ready to awaken your senses and revive your spirit. As you lift your glass, savor the moment before a new soul enters your body, and admire the Corpse Survivor No. 2's crystal allure. As you take the first sip, you'll receive the fresh scent of citrus from the lemon zest, followed by soft aromatics from the absinthe rinse. With the first sip, you'll experience a refreshing mix of flavours starting from the gin's botanical complexity, followed by sweet citrus notes from the Cointreau, with a tartness from the lemon, and finished with subtle fruity notes emerging from the Lillet Blanc to balance out the rest of the flavours. So whether you choose to enjoy this drink as a morning pick-me-up or to celebrate your ex-wife's marriage, the Corpse Survivor No. 2 still exudes an air of elegance and intrigue, allowing you to not only look stylish, but hold a strong composure before your shift starts, and with each sip, slowly raising you higher and higher off the ground. And there you have it, a fascinating tale of the Corpse Survivor No. 2, a cocktail born from the need to revive the senses and cherished by alcoholics worldwide. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of classic mixology, and once again, don't forget to help a struggling bartender in need. Make sure to drop a like, comment and subscribe for more cocktail adventures around the globe. And until next time, let's raise a glass to raising the glass. Cheers.